How can I use the integrated landing page feature in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro comes with an integrated landing page feature that you can use if you want to get data on what your subscribers do once they click through to your landing page. The benefit of using the built-in landing pages as opposed to a landing page on an external website is that you can get metrics on subscriber activity directly in LISTSERV Maestro without having to use your regular website analytics platform. This allows you to get a fuller picture of the impact of your email campaigns and better insights on things like conversions that occur after the initial click from your email message. To set up a landing page for your email campaign, open the mail job of your choice and go to the Content Definition step. On the left side of the screen, you'll find 3 tabs. The first 2 allow you to enter the HTML and plain text content of your email message. The third one allows you to create 1 or more landing pages associated with the email campaign. To create a landing page, choose a suitable name for your landing page and simply copy and paste your HTML code into the window. To create a second landing page, click on the plus icon and repeat the steps. Once finished, you'll notice that the landing pages are shown on the right side of the screen under the Landing Pages panel. You can freely use any of your merge fields and create profile-based conditions on your landing pages, just like you would in an email message. Landing pages can be created in either HTML format or as a downloadable PDF. If you choose the PDF option, then your HTML will be converted to PDF format, allowing your subscribers to download it by clicking on a link. These PDF downloads can be used for sending out individually tailored promo coupons to your subscribers, for example, with each recipient's name and customer number. To link to your landing pages, go back to the HTML Content tab and select the Landing Page option from the pull-down menu when defining your link. Or if you're working directly with the HTML code, just click on the name of the landing page from the sidebar to insert it as a link, just like you would if you were inserting the unsubscribe URL or any other system drop-in. Once you have delivered your job and some time has elapsed, locate your email campaign under Mail Jobs. You will now notice that the metrics include not only the regular open up and click through data from your email message, but you'll also see data on all of the clicks that occurred once subscribers arrived on your landing page, allowing you to conveniently get all relevant open, click, and conversion metrics in one location. Thank you for watching.